Hello everyone. So today's agenda is to do c-gussets. Now c-gussets go on the outside of your knuckles to strengthen that big C curve thing in the front. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be welding these on. It is cast metal you're welding onto, so you have to heat up the metal, let it cool slowly, and that way you don't have any problems with any cracking or welds failing. The one I chose was the EVO Manufacturing c-gusset. It did come with my front EVO kit. It is a nice kit. I like it. It all fits very well. It's drop right in and start welding. So we're gonna get into tackling this, and it's a slow process. We gotta heat up some things and let them cool slowly, but other than that, should be a pretty straightforward job. Those up and out of the way. I just don't know how you're supposed to get it in there. I think you might have to take that coil up. But yeah, that one's meant to fit on that side. See, it's not straight there. And today we're finishing up the lower C's, and we're also doing the cast welds on the rear and a couple spots on the front. The axles did get finished. We got the c-gussets done today and all the cast welding. Steve did an excellent job. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy these videos, hit the notification button. Until next time, thanks for watching.